Want a presentation that looks like a hand-drawn sketchbook? I'll show you how to get that style in Gamma AI in under 5 minutes. So here's the plan. We're going to start by generating a new presentation. Then we'll craft the perfect prompt. And finally, we'll generate your sketchbook-style slides. Let's jump in. First, open up Gamma AI and click the Generate button to start a brand new presentation. This is the big blue button you'll usually see right at the top of your dashboard. Just give it one click. Now, this is the part where most people get stuck. They type in their topic, hit Generate, and end up with another generic, corporate-looking deck. But we're going to do something different. In the prompt field, you need to be very specific. For example, let's say you want a presentation on the science of happiness. Don't just type science of happiness. Instead, type something like, create a presentation about the science of happiness using sketchbook style. And here's the real trick, the secret sauce that makes this whole thing work. Make sure the words sketchbook style are right there in your prompt. That's your magic phrase. Gamma AI understands that language, and it will pull from its design library to give you that hand-drawn, artsy look automatically. It's surprisingly smart about it. All right, once you've got that prompt typed in, go ahead and click Generate Outline. This tells Gamma to create the structure of your presentation first, before it builds out all the slides. You'll see it pop up with a few suggested slides and a basic flow. It might take a few seconds, so just let it do its thing. Now, take a quick look at that outline. Does it cover the main points you wanted? If it looks good, click the Generate button to produce the full presentation. And this is where the magic really happens. Gamma will now generate every single slide using that sketchbook style you asked for. It might take a minute or so, depending on how many slides you have, so just sit tight. Once it's done, you'll have a full presentation with that beautiful hand-drawn aesthetic. But here's the thing, you're not finished yet. AI is great, but the real polish comes from you. Now you can customize individual slides to really refine that sketchbook look. Click on any slide and change the text, swap out images, or tweak the colors. The key here is to keep it loose. Don't overthink it. A sketchbook is supposed to feel a little imperfect. Next, let's adjust the layout of each slide. You want that sketchbook feel to come through strongly. So maybe choose layouts that feel more like a notebook page, with off-center text or lots of white space. Gamma has several layout options, so just experiment until it feels right. And here's a pro tip to really sell the look. Add hand-drawn elements. You can do this by inserting icons that look like doodles or simple sketches. Gamma has a built-in library of icons, and you'll want to pick the ones that feel rough and organic, not those polished vector-style graphics. A few scattered doodles around your text will instantly make it feel like a real sketchbook page. Finally, it's time to share your work. Export your presentation as a PDF or share it directly from Gamma. If you're sharing a link, the sketchbook style will stay intact. If you're exporting to PDF, just make sure all your formatting looks good before you send it out. And that's it. You went from staring at a blank template to having a unique, hand-drawn style presentation that actually looks creative. The whole process takes just a few minutes once you know how to use the right prompt. So go ahead, give it a try. Open Gamma, use the words sketchbook style, and see what you can create.